Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. With just 3 days to go before the start of the Olympic Games in Tokyo, Japan, there are still doubts surrounding its staging, with Chief of the Tokyo 2020 Organizing Committee, Toshiro Moto, saying he's not ruling out a last-minute cancellation of the Games. But Jamaica Olympic Association President Christopher Samuda says he doubts this will happen.
Toshiro Moto's statement comes as more athletes tested positive for COVID-19 and major sponsors ditched plans to attend Friday's opening ceremony. Asked at a news conference if the global sporting showpiece might still be cancelled, Moto said he would keep an eye on infection numbers and liaise with other organizers if necessary. But there have been 67 cases of COVID-19 infections in Japan among those accredited for the Games since July 1, when many athletes and officials began arriving. But chair of the independent expert panel on COVID-19 countermeasures at Tokyo 2020, Dr. Brian McCloskey, says he's not worried about the Games becoming a super spreader event.
What we're seeing is what we expected to see, essentially. You know, if I thought all the tests that we did were going to be negative, then I wouldn't bother doing the tests in the first place. We do the tests because they are a way of filtering out people who might be developing an infection, who might become a risk later. So we identify them early, we take them apart from other people, and we manage them and look after them, and we look after the contacts.
Meanwhile, Jamaican gymnast Danusha Francis, who has arrived in Tokyo for the Games, says she's not perturbed as there are several measures in place to keep a safe Games.
Everyone's definitely doing a good job of keeping their masks on, hand sanitizing. There's plenty of hand sanitizing stations everywhere, and everyone's really making an effort to follow the rules. We have to put gloves on as well in the dining hall when we are collecting our food and our cutlery and everything. So yeah, there's lots of protocols in place and everyone is trying their best. So I think it will stay under control even with these small outbreaks.
The Jamaica Olympic Association President Christopher Samuda has downplayed the development, noting he doubted the Games would be cancelled. TVJ Sports caught up with Samuda as he departed the island on Tuesday for Tokyo.
I don't think that is in fact a realistic approach at all. I very much doubt that it will be cancelled at this hour. I think the central government is more concerned with cauterizing whatever outbreak that may arise. And certainly I am satisfied that measures are in place to ensure the safety of athletes, managers and coaches.
COVID-19 cases are rising in Tokyo, and the Games, postponed from last year because of the pandemic, will be held without spectators. Japan, whose vaccination program has lagged behind that of most other developed nations, has recorded more than 840,000 COVID-19 cases and over 15,000 deaths.
Primetime Sport.